but she was actually caught vaping twice in the fight. She's asked to stop. She wouldn't stop. She took the vape.
No, I didn't do anything. I didn't talk back to nobody, and I didn't talk.
Hey.
You're gonna break my arm! Please correspond to my arm, please!
What happens when a passenger breaks federal law at 35 feet, then resists arrest on camera? And were the officers legally justified in every single step of their response?
Somebody vaping on the plane?
Yes, sir. So the situation was that she was in 27D, and it's Genesis here, but she was actually caught vaping twice in the fight. She's asked to stop. She wouldn't stop. She took the vape. Then she was cursing belligerently, called a lot of indecent language. Almost the first half of the fight, she kept on out of control. We had to separate her from the next bus she's traveling with and move all the guests around her to the front to avoid. She almost got into a fist fight with another passenger. She was just belligerent, totally in control. So we had to separate by ourselves for the duration of the fight. And she tried to open her alcohol, to consume the alcohol. We took that from her as well. This is her vape alcohol, so I'm not gonna say anything to her because I don't think going in the accident will come out. She's gonna come out with me, so. Yeah, so huh?
You just make an announcement to have her come out. If she doesn't come out, then we'll come in. Huh?
Genesis comes in.
Genesis, we need to come forward, please. They need to come forward, please. Thank you.
Vaping, apparently she was causing conflict with other passengers and shit like that. Also, did they see him? They see what's up here? That song was something. You can send his back.
Yeah, she is a sergeant.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Genesis?
What was your time, son?
Pretty much all I didn't do anything at all. I swear to God, I didn't do anything. That's not even the thing. No, I didn't do anything. I didn't talk back to nobody, and I didn't talk.
Hey, you can
I
stop.
didn't hit anybody. Shut up! Shut up! I have lawyers. Are you stupid or are you dumb?
Talk to you though.
No, I don't care. No! What the f? Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I have lawyers! Are you dumb? Alright.
Now you're going to jail.
Now I'm going to jail.
Yep.
For what? I haven't assaulted anybody at all. What am I going to jail for? That's the thing. What am I going to jail?
I don't know. We just got it. I don't know.
Babe.
Was she drinking on the plane?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was drinking on the plane?
I had one shot though. One shot. That doesn't affect me. Juju!
Can you open up
You asshole! Hold on, wait. I can't correspond. Just hold on. You're gonna break my arm!
Oh, put on my ID.
You're going up that way. Wait. Please correspond to my arm, please. Wait. My arm is gonna break, please. Wait, dude, please correspond to my arm. Wait. Thank you. That feels a lot better. It's not that bad. You guys are in Miami, Florida, no? Exactly, so you don't have to treat me that bad. We are not out of the States. You guys are in the country. We are U.S. citizens now. We're not out of the States. You can't treat me like that. I wasn't doing jack shit. You guys just want to do something for a paycheck. Got my face. And I gave you that paycheck, stupid. My boyfriend's gonna pay that shit regardless. Y'all are pay me for no reason. Y'all choose the right one this time, stupid. Now I'm gonna sue all of y'all asses. All of y'all that be left with no job. Absolutely no job.
Yeah, 41.
TSA, you gonna put me through TSA again? Put me through jail right now.
You have a 10, 15 white female.
Why? No, I'm Latina. I'm not white. I'm not no white ass. You stupid or you? Oh wait, we've been declared that.
Female deputy to respond to report or 423 or 3 out of 41 on the countdown on 17.
Stay right here.
3 out of 11 will be 10 on the
Why is that 3, bro? I have to leave at 3, dude. What are you doing? This was your fault, bro. He was on me. That flight attendant was on me, bro. And I pushed him off. That's not fair. I pushed him off of me, bro. That's not fair. Oh. That was on me. He wanted to get at me, bro.
I'm at 6839 Southeast 15th Street from the rear of the 20th 2 zone requesting a wall check on the daughter. Mother's refusing to bring the child to him. Citing heavy drinks. Come on.
You have to understand that flight attendant was on me. I didn't do anything to him. And then the other girl.
Sit off 11 of my supporter second 2 Alpha 2.
I just want to go home. I don't even want to be here. I hate DR. I hate DR so
Bring the
bad.
child to him and the mother's heavy drinker. Over 12.
I just want to go home.
Her friend's coming to get her puppy.
Okay, what are we charging her?
Public transportation. She can see if she's gonna be the same.
Okay. Alright.
Because I guess she was on the plane. She was on the plane. Called and said he was drinking multiple. Maybe she was drinking. She dropped off. I just left her. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. All right.
This encounter touches 4 distinct areas of law: federal aviation regulations, state criminal statutes, constitutional use of force standards, and First Amendment protections. Each one leads to a different conclusion. Before drawing any verdict, the legal framework must be examined from the ground up. In the order courts would apply it. Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 252.3, prohibits vaping aboard all commercial aircraft. Under FAA Part 121 authority, this is not airline policy. It is a binding federal prohibition with both civil and criminal consequences. Title 49 of the United States Code, Section 46,318, makes it a federal offense to intentionally interfere with the performance of airline crew duties. The statute carries penalties of up to 20 years imprisonment, classifying this conduct at the federal felony level. Flight crew established multiple independent violations of both statutes before officers made any contact with the subject. That sequence matters critically for the arrest authority analysis that follows. The Supreme Court held in Terry versus Ohio, 392 U.S., 1 in 1,968, that officers may conduct an investigative detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Corroborated crew testimony documenting vaping, near physical assault, and sustained disruption elevated that suspicion into probable cause, the higher standard required for a lawful custodial arrest. In City of Houston versus Hill, 482 U.S., 451 in 1,987, the Supreme Court confirmed that profanity and verbal insults directed at law enforcement are protected speech under the First Amendment. Officers cannot lawfully make an arrest based on offensive words alone. However, this arrest was not predicated on speech. Probable cause had already been established through the subject's conduct aboard the aircraft, entirely independent of anything said to officers. The distinction between protected expression and independent criminal conduct is one of the most consistently misapplied principles in public law enforcement encounters. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S., 386 in 1000, 989, established the controlling standard for use of force analysis. Force is objectively reasonable when evaluated against three factors: the severity of the underlying crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All three Graham factors are satisfied here. The joint lock pain compliance technique employed is a standard soft empty hand control method, authorized within the use of force continuum for actively resistive subjects. The subject's own statement immediately after compliance confirmed temporary discomfort, not injury. That distinction is legally significant. Florida Statute Section 856.11 defines disorderly intoxication through two cumulative elements. The subject must be intoxicated in a public place, and their conduct must cause a public disturbance. Crew testimony, the subject's own admission of alcohol consumption, and officer observation establish both elements independently. Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S., 436 in 1000, 966, requires warnings before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of physical arrest. Courts have consistently upheld this distinction. No interrogation occurred at the point of arrest here, meaning Miranda protections were not yet triggered. The lesson from this encounter runs in both directions. For passengers, federal aviation statutes carry penalties far exceeding what most people anticipate. An active resistance to a lawful arrest creates independent criminal exposure regardless of whether the original stop was justified. For officers, documented pre-contact intelligence and proportionate force are the evidentiary foundation on which prosecutions and civil defenses stand or fall. But the deeper legal questions raised by this footage remain open. Were the appropriate charges actually applied? Could federal statutes have been invoked instead of, or in addition to, state law? And at what precise point does a pain compliance technique, applied to a screaming subject in a confined aircraft, cross a threshold that a federal court would refuse to accept? The answers depend on what the camera captured and what it did not.